Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bagasadewa. I come from Labuan Batu Selatan, Sumatera Utara. Me as a pro team.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fani Ananda. I was born in Pitung Pidangye, September 6, 2003. Here, I play the role of Contra. And the title of the motion discussed is The Immigrant Should Pay an Exit Tax Upon Changing Residency. Expatriate tax or immigration tax is a tax on people who stop paying taxes in a country. This often takes the form of a capital gains tax on unrealized gain attributable to the period in which the taxpayer becomes a taxpayer of the country concerned. Immigration is the act of leaving one's origin or territory to settle in another country.
In the current era of globalization, this means that there are no space and time restriction for each individual to change their place of residence. In any country, there must be rules regarding the immigration process for foreign citizens. This immigration process is a kind of permit that is carried out by individuals before entering the territory of another country. The definition of immigrants in a nutshell is the movement of people from our country to another. Someone who carries out immigration activities is called an immigration. According to Article 1, Paragraph 1 in Law Number 6 of 2011 concerning immigration is the right of traffic for people entering or leaving the territory of Republic Indonesia and their supervision in order to uphold the sovereignty of the state. Explanation tax or immigration tax, a tax on people who stop being taxpayers in a country. This is often in the form of a capital gains tax on unrealized gains caused by the period in which the taxpayer was tax resident in the country in question. Immigrants are heroes of country foreign exchange. From an economic point of view, it is very strategic, where taxes are a useful source of funds for the development of the country. With tax, development of the country can run well and evenly. Tax paid will be managed by the government and will be distributed equally among areas that need development. People will also be created by paying tax. I agree that immigrants must pay excess tax if they change their place of residence, because even though they work abroad, they still have the status of Indonesian citizen. Those with immigrant status still have rights as Indonesian people who receive protection from the Indonesian states. To get this protection, immigrants must carry out their obligation by paying taxes.
In PP number 80 of 2008, Article 3, almost everything is related to government. Why only accommodate or exempt taxes for interests related to government agency when nowadays global development actually led by private agency?
Taxes will make people think twice about moving, so that residents of a country will remain in that country, so that economic development in that country can run continuously. If the tax is not set, the population may move on a large scale to other countries. which is certainly not good.
Reduce capital seeking initiative for foreign. Meanwhile, there are more venture capital company abroad. This cause that rupiah currency only revolves in the country, and the non-proactivity of the Indonesian economy with foreign economy in the era of globalization can hamper the economy.
I agree that immigrants have to pay taxes. This is because it makes it easier for immigrants to take care of something. Tax can also be administrative money used to facilitate a matter involving personal or group interests. If we don't pay taxes, who will help us? For example, if we are faced with a certain problem.
I don't agree with this rule. In PP number 80 of 2008, Article 2 states that the amount of income tax that must be paid by the taxpayer domestic individual tax as intended in Article 1 are A. 2,500,000 rupiah for every time everyone goes abroad with using airplanes, and B. 1,000,000 rupiah for each person every time you go abroad by using safe ride. Why is the amount of tax to be paid so low? It will make people tend to underestimate or even flock to settle abroad. With cheap taxes, people who are able to build the country will also be reduced. Where these people have large enough resources that can be used to advance the nation. Imagine how many jobs will be created, how much industries from various sectors will develop. One small thing will affect everything else.
With the payment of immigrant taxes, these immigrants can get direct, namely to get legal protection from the state. Tax payments can also reduce the movements of people from one country to another. It is intended that a country's economy can be controlled. Paying taxes can also make things easier because, of course, to do something you need money. But on the other hand, paying taxes can also make immigrants feel burdened because not all immigrants have a decent life. We should continue to carry out our obligation to pay taxes, whether it is an immigrant tax or other taxes. Because all the roles made by the government does not distribute the tax properly, then they will also receive the reward from good. For good thus will surely bear good fruit, and evil deeds will surely be met with evil recompense.
In this era of globalization, we believe that the enactment of this regulation will hamper economic growth in Indonesia, especially in the product or service market network from Indonesia to overseas. People who are able to build the country will also be reduced because of cheap taxes. Coupled with the imposition of this tax, some people feel it will be too complicated and discourage them from carrying out activities abroad and can hamper the economy.